Hi, good morning. How are you today? I am Teacher Marvin, your English teacher. All right. So this morning is we are going to learn about science. Okay. When we say science, it refers to everything that under the sun is connected with science. And before we are going to start our lesson for today, let's do have a recap regarding to your previous topic in science. Okay, so the last meeting, you were able to learn how to differentiate the different parts of the snail, and then how does the snail produces their slime, and what are the different characteristics of a snail. And this morning is we were going to observe about protection. Okay, so when we say protection, it refers to your skills, how you are going to protect the different situation. Okay, later on you will know how does protection work. Okay, so that's it. And then I want everybody to please just focus and listen carefully because Teacher Marvin will going to teach you what are the different about the uses in a deep protection. All right, so this is your cover page of your book in science. Okay, so soon you will be here. We will use this book. Okay, don't worry. And now let's start our lesson for today. And welcome to our class for today, which is the primary one and which is the English program. And our subject for today is science. All right. So what is our topic for today? And our topic for today is protection. And my objective is for you to be able how to predict the one situation to the next situation. All right. So that is protection. All right. So without a further ado, what is protection? So when we say protection, this is the forecasting the outcome of a specific future event on a pattern of evidence or hypothesis. So when we say protection, you are trying to predict what will be the next happen from the present situation to the future situation. And I will going to show you the different situation, and then how does the future happen from the present to the future, and that is considering your prediction skills. Okay, so again, when we say prediction, it is forecasting the outcome of a specific future. When we say specific future, you have the things to predict what would be happen, the specific future event on a pattern of evidence or hypothesis. When we say a pattern of evidence, the latest, the present situation, which is shows the different examples. Okay, so we have here an example. As you can see, a mother in a child, the mother was able to taught her child and giving the situation of a pattern. As you can see, there is a different shape. There is a square shape and a circle shape. And you can see that the square shape are color red and the circle shape are purple. Now, what would be the next happen after the circle? Yes, you can see there is a pattern already there. There is a square, which is red. There is a circle, which is purple. And then after the purple, there is a square, which is red. And then right after the square, there is a circle, which is purple. And what do you think would be the next? All right. So the answer would be a square which is color red. So that is already a prediction. That is an example of a prediction. If you would say that the next after the circle, which is purple, is square, which is color red, so that is already a prediction. And your answer must be square red, and that is correct. So you are trying to portray, to project the future. Okay? And another one, your mother trying to prepare an honey, and she want you to taste even just a small amount of honey. And what do you think would be the taste of the honey? And then you would say, or you might say, that the taste of honey is sweeter. So therefore, you are trying or portraying to project that the taste of honey is sweet. So that is a prediction. Okay, again, your mother tried to taste you some amount or little amount of honey, and you project that it is sweet, and then when you try to taste the honey, you feel correct. So that is prediction. That is correct. Okay, now another one. Okay, you are trying to guess the box. So there are three boxes with a different color. The first box is color green, and the second box is color red, and the last box that you are holding is color blue. And you are trying or portraying to perform to project what would be inside the box. So for you to guess, you are trying to predict. So you might say the thing inside the box is something like that. So that would be a prediction. Okay? That's right. Now, I have here, let me show you some picture. Okay, the first picture shows about what's happening in the environment. And as you can see that the sky is very dark. The sky is dark. So what do you think will be happen after this? You would say, or you might say that the sky is very dark. So do you think after this happened, what will be? Of course, there will be a rain. So that is prediction, because you are pertaining to have a rain because of the present situation, which is the sky is very dark. So you predict correctly, and there will be having a rain. So that is prediction. Everybody say prediction. That's right. Now, another one. Your mother is washing your clothes, and after she finished to wash your clothes, she is trying to hanging your clothes in the clothesline under the sun. What do you think will be happen to your clothes after an hour? Because there is a sand. So therefore, if there is a sun, meaning to say, we all know that the sun is providing a lot of heat. So your mother pertaining to hanging your clothes in the clothesline, and then what will happen to your clothes after an hour? It will be dry. So that is prediction, because you know what will be happen on the future, from the present to the future. You are pertaining to guess from the present, which is your clothes are very wet, and then after an hour, your clothes is now already dry because you predict that it will dry after an hour because of the sun. All right, so that is prediction. Very good. Now, another one. There is a sun, and then you forgot to bring the ice inside your house. Then you leave it outside. What will happen to the ice after a minute? Because you forgot to keep it in, and to put inside the fridge, and then the ice is still outside under the sun. And what do you think will be happen to the ice? Of course, the ice from solid, it become liquid because the ice are getting melt, and it will back to normal as a water. So that is prediction. Okay? Now, and then another one, I have here a cat. You can see that cat is watching over. And then the cat was able to see the fish and the bread. Which of the following will be the cat eating? Which one of this? It could be, is it a fish or is it a bread? What do you think? It will be very good. The cat is holding the fish. So you are predicting. That's right. Now, another one. There is a box here. As you can see, there is a pattern of a box, which is the red, blue, green, and then after the red, after the green, it will be followed by the red, and then it become blue, and then the green. So this is the pattern. So this is your present event. Okay. Now, as you can see, there is a different color. Okay, this one is trying to look for what color. Is it number one, red, or is it number two, blue, or is it number three, green? Which of the following will be the next after the blue? And then the correct answer is letter number three is green, because you are going to base according to your present future event. All right? Very good. That's right. And then the last one we have here, a numerical pattern, and you have to determine or predict later on after this. Okay? We have here the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know you really love to count the numbers. 6, 7, and 8. Now, you are given the present picture which represent the different numbers, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, there is a next pattern. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8. Oh, there is a missing number. What do you think is the missing number? And you are trying to guess using your brain, and you are pertaining to predict what would be the number missing. And the correct answer is number 6. So that's it. You are predicting what would be the next number. The missing number is 6. So that, all right? So now I know how you are going to predict the different situation. On your worksheet, you will be given a choices. It will be, is it A or B? Now you have to predict what will be happen from the present to the future. All right, so that's all for today. And thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.